Hello everyone, my name is Joel Brian Media with my partner Alan Cyrus Labusta, and we are Greg B. Saite from Colegio de San Juan de Letran Calamba. And welcome to our chat board named Letronics, a platform by Colegio de San Juan de Letran Calamba designed to help students discover and prepare for the professions of the future. The homepage features a bold and modern design with the message Discover the profession of the future. It emphasizes the importance of the future-ready careers and invites users to explore them through innovative programs. There are clear calls to action, like start learning now and choose a specialty, encouraging visitors to dive into their learning journey right away. As you scroll down, you are greeted with the statement, "Your future starts here," reinforcing, reinforcing Electronics' mission not just to prepare students for exam, but to equip them for life challenges and opportunities. Two buttons, discover more and join the revolution, encourage deeper engagement with the institution's educational philosophy. The Who We Are section introduces the Electronic Calamba as a vibrant academic community focused on developing tomorrow's leader. Following me with the Why Choose Us section, which highlights three pillars of the electronics experience: expert faculty, dedicated mentor supporting student, innovative curriculum, a modern method preparing learners for a dynamic world, and a strong community, a network that feels like family. At the bottom, you will find the Electronics AI Assistant, an interactive tool that allows users to ask questions, use text-to-speech, solve problems, and generate images, demonstrating the site's commitment to leveraging technology in education. And here's the demo.
Hi there, my name is Joel Brian Mila, a third BSIT student from Letran Calamba.
And here's our problem solver. Parang gago kasi. Parang gago kasi. Parang gago kasi. Parang gago kasi lagi. Eighty plus 60.